Alright, let's talk about the craziest, most expensive cars of 2025. I'm not talking about your average luxury sedan. These are the cars that make billionaires do a double take. So buckle up, because these price tags are going to blow your mind. First up, the Bugatti Tourbillon, 1,800 horsepower hybrid powertrain, a design that looks straight out of the future. Price tag? A cool $5.4 million. And trust me, every detail screams exclusivity. Next, the Rolls-Royce Arcadia Droptail has always been the king of bespoke luxury, but the Arcadia takes it to another level. 4 ever made, each one is different. You want one? That'll be $30 million. $30 million. Moving on, the Aston Martin Valkyrie AMR Pro. This is basically a race car for the road, if you can even call it a road car. Screaming V12 wild aerodynamics, starting price of $4 million. Only a handful will ever exist, so good luck spotting one in the wild. Now, let's talk about the Lamborghini Revuelto, Lambo's first V12 plug-in hybrid. It looks like something Batman would drive. Fast, it's loud, it's yours for around $700,000. Okay, that's cheap compared to the others, but still, 700 grand is no joke. And finally, the Pagani Utopia. Pagani always delivers art on wheels, and the Utopia is no exception. Insane attention to detail, over 850 horsepower, price tag hovering near $2.5 million. It's rare, it's wild, and it's absolutely unforgettable. So, which one would you take home if money was no object? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more supercar madness. Catch you in the next one.